Okay, I am going to go through the 5 keys for debt-free living as a low-income family. Hi, I'm Marcia, so let's get started. I'm going to go through this rather quickly. So the 5 key tips for debt-free living is for a low-income, one-income household. It consists of the 5 R's. So these screens are showing you my 5-step method and system. And so the E stands for eliminate, the R stands for rewards. And these are the things that we did to help our family become debt-free. Okay, so that was a quick overview of what the video is about today. So let me get a little bit more comfortable here in my spot. And then I have some notes here, so I'm going to be referring to my notes. So my 5 ER step system consists of 4 things to eliminate, and then the R stands for rewards, things you will replace instead. So the number 1 thing to eliminate when you're going to start a debt-free journey lifestyle is, especially if you have a low income or one income family, is to reduce stress and reduce stressful activities. So what I mean by that is when you are living with a low income, limited income, whether it's just one person in the household working, but you need to get out of debt, you've accumulated debt, maybe you have a car payment, maybe you have credit cards, things of that sort. Okay, so that causes stress. So we want to eliminate anything that adds unnecessary stress. Things you can't necessarily get rid of, but you can alter your lifestyle. So don't take on anything that's going to stress you. So what I mean by that is if you work 5 days a week and you only have the 2 days off, don't use those 2 days exhausting yourself doing activities for other people. Take care of things in your own household, and that will eliminate the added stress on the whole family and get the whole family involved. If you live by yourself, obviously now that responsibility falls on you solely, unless you have children, adult children, or you have other siblings or something, that friends that would come over and help you. But if you have a family situation, then get everybody in the household involved so that the responsibility doesn't just fall on one person. So that's how you eliminate stressful activities, added stressful activities on you. The second one from the slides that I just showed you previously was to eliminate salt, sugar, and soda. So my little image for the soda and sweets, I think it said, somehow didn't show up when I saved it, but this is because for 2 reasons. One, it is going to affect your budget, and we're trying to use our budget wisely. And when we purchase salty foods, sweet foods that are pre-packaged, processed foods, those are very expensive and they're going to eat into your budget. So we want to make healthy choices, and also it affects your health. The third E in our 5-step ER system for getting out of debt on a low income, one income household is to eliminate, during this time, travel, theme parks, and going out to the movies. Nowadays, movies are very expensive. They still do have discount movie theaters somewhere, but I don't know how much of those are, but it's all an added expense. And we need to utilize all of our extra money in our budget that's coming in, income that's coming in, for paying off our debt. Travel is very expensive. Going to theme parks are very expensive. Going to the movies and all the things that go with that are very expensive, not to mention the gas involved as well. And the 4th thing on my list is to eliminate eating out until you are debt-free, but don't panic. This is not a deprivation system. Okay, so the number 5 is where the rewards, the R and ER, starts to come in, and that is to reward yourself by, first of all, rewarding your progress each day. Keep a progress tracker of all of these things that you're, first of all, eliminating, and then what are you going to replace these with, because you don't want to just strip your life of these things. We need to replace them with fun things, rewarding things. So here's my system for my family, and what we did were the replacements that we put into those instead. And it was, first of all, going up to the stressful activities, replacing it with family activities, taking care of our household responsibilities, our family responsibilities. That was very easy to do. And then spending time with family. So after we had all of our things that we needed to do, laundry and clean the house, which I usually did during the week, then on the weekends we went and visited family. So that was a lot of fun time, very relaxing, very enjoying to be together with family, cousins playing together, seeing your siblings, seeing your parents, things like that. The children being with their grandparents, things of that sort. And then the second one, we replaced it with healthy choices and making our own things at home. So it's a lot cheaper to buy ingredients and make these things and have healthy choices, fruit as an example. And then replacing going to things that cost money to things that don't cost money. So going to parks, look up all the resources in your town. There's a lot of free resources that your cities and towns offer, perks of just free parks, lots of free parks that you can replace going to the theme parks and travels and the movies. And make it fun where you have a family movie night in your home, or family movie night with friends and family. And if you have a whole library of movies that you've purchased, get those out. Make it make your popcorn, make fun treats, pizza, your homemade pizza, and have a movie night. That's a lot of fun. And then now, another reward for replacing eating out and those things is to sign up for cashback sites that pay you when you shop in person in stores and online. You get cashback rewards. Sometimes they're gift cards. Use that money that you earn on those gift cards now, once you get enough, that you could eat out maybe once a month, or go to the movies once a month. So another way is also by signing up at survey sites, and you can earn gift cards that way. I've done that quite a bit. One of my favorites for adults, 18 or older, is to sign up as a secret shopper, mystery shoppers. I had a lot of fun doing that, and you can go to restaurants and you do the mystery shop. You can go to different stores, you're doing the mystery shops, gas stations, car washes, a lot of things that are needed in the family that are fun. But going to the restaurants, and it pays for one person, and then it pays you for your meal, but you also get paid. So then the money you get paid with is what would pay for that meal out for the family. And then strategically plan it according to your budget and what you were going to get paid. Intel is a very good mystery shopping site that is honest and pays very well. So we would do pizza shops. Oh, it was, just so much fun. Clothing shops, and they pay very well nowadays. I think car washes are paying like $20. You get your car washed and you get paid $20. So check those out. Those are a very nice addition, so that you are replacing and bringing money in easily and in a fun way. And then also get a little second part-time job if you can. If you are at home taking care of children, there's a lot of working at home jobs that you can get. Just start talking around to people, find out anybody that works at home, start looking those up. I happened to find one. It's a wonderful job. And so that is now supplementing and allowing us to do extra fun things, my husband and I, and go to the state park once the weather gets cool, not right now during the Florida heat. And then also just using that money to pay off the extra credit card debt. So we are going to be able to be credit card debt free and vehicle payment debt free by the end of 2024, this year. And so that is very exciting for us. This has been a long journey, but we stuck with it, and now I'm seeing the reward. The destination is in front of me, and this is such a rewarding experience. I am so proud of us. I'm so proud of myself. So remember to celebrate yourself. Celebrate every day. Celebrate every little tiny step forward that you make. Say, great job, and use your name and children's names and your husband's names and make it a little celebration party. So I hope you found these tips beneficial. If you did, please like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe, and also if you have found any fun ways to earn free gift cards by taking surveys or being a secret shopper or some other way, please leave it in the comments below for other people who might be looking for those types of avenues for their family. So thank you for joining me for Marsha's Heartfelt Moments every Sunday. And today's video, I was a little late, but I was just trying to get this to be as much value and fun as possible. So let me know if you enjoyed the slideshow in the beginning. Okay, see you in my Tuesday vlog videos, which are going to be a lot of fun, and my Wednesday DIY, slow stitching, embroidery, paper crafting videos. So if you would like to be a part of all of this, be rewarded for participation, join my Sunshine Makers Club mailing list at sunshinemakersclub.com. All of these links will be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the Tuesday vlog video. And watch the next video here that will be coming up on the screen. Bye-bye.